Hi everybody, this is some help for lesson number 7. This week you're going to study Articles of Faith 5 and 6. I think you'll find these interesting because in this area we're pretty unique. It shouldn't be because the gospel was restored and so was the program of the church and the way it functions. But this is where we are today, which separates us from the rest of the Christian world. So, anyway, the lesson truths here are church organization and membership in the church. You can read through these. I don't think I want to spend my time here narrating and reading what you can already read. Your key preparation materials, again, you click on these and you get them. The required, the supplemental, and both for both thoughts or principles. Discussion boards, same as they've been. They continue the same way. So first post by Tuesday. Make sure you got a word count, and make sure you meet the word count requirement. A summary paper. I think if everybody's pretty well got that figured out. By the way, this class is doing fantastic. For the most part, we're having very few hang-ups with this stuff, and so congratulations. Exceptional group. The synthesis project, again, you'll work on your second one. You'll be working on it for Articles of Faith 5 through 9. And so hopefully that will go a little smoother after you've done your first one. It'll be interesting to grade those this coming week and get some feedback to you about things that could be changed. But this is pretty straightforward, so it's a repeat of what you've done before. Don't overthink this. End of week reporting is going to be a little bit different. You still have a weekly report to do. Shouldn't take you very long, but you've got your binder report. Basically, it's what notes you've kept for each term. And so if you click on the binder report form, you get something that looks like this. And it's pretty simple. This form is maybe a little bit confusing, but here, let me give you some helps. You've got to fill out the places. These are required. The restoration perspective, there are 2. There are places to put others here. Okay. The instructions are your assignment should include at least one of each of the following activities. So you've got to go from in the last few weeks, include something from each one of these 4 things that you've submitted and types of assignments. And here's of course, the gospel scholarship perspective or outcome, and discerning truth from error, and covenant keeping. All right. So you're not going to be penalized for more, but this is a pretty simple thing. If you kept your binder the way you were instructed earlier in the term, you should be able to, for the most part, copy and paste everything in here. Pretty simple. If you didn't, then you'll know what you need to do for the next binary check. So here's what you end up doing. Look at this. This is the outcome, of course, in this column. You need to just cite here, just like it says in the example. This connection to the outcome came from lesson 3, CPT discussion board. Okay. Again, here are those up here again. You've got to conclude one from each one. And then these are great examples. How does the activity address the outcome? And then examples. You can say, my post exemplifies restoration, the restoration perspective by, and then you put it right in here and you're done. I strengthen my gospel scholarship with, and you put one of these, and this is what happened. And so it's pretty simple. You can make this as big and complicated as you want, and detailed, and don't just put down a 3 or 4 word sentence, but a couple sentences in each one, and I think you're off and running, and you'll do just fine with this. So anyway, hope you're having a great day wherever you might be, and if you've got questions about any of these assignments, let me know. And anyway, good luck and have a great week.